Hey, what's up, guys? It's your Magician Parker Plays. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to do a very easy card flourish, the card spread. It's not really a trick; it's more of like a move. So, yeah, here it is. And if you want to learn how to do that, you came to the right place. Okay, now let's get started on the grip. Pretend you're holding the cards in like a Spider-Man grip. And then put the cards in like an ever so slightly. So like this. Some people prefer 3 fingers, some people prefer 2 fingers. Me, myself, I prefer 2 fingers. And the index finger can be an ever so slight angle. But still, your index finger has to be straight. Just like that. And then the deck of cards is not perfectly straight. It's more of a parallelogram. Never leave it straight because then it's going to be harder. So put slight pressure on the deck. Like just press it on a teeny tiny bit. Same thing here. And then I actually prefer 3 fingers. So my grip is like this. Some people like it Spider-Man. Some people like their pointer finger hanging out like that. Okay, now on the deck in a slight parallelogram. 3D parallelogram. And then here's the principle. So you put slight pressure down, but also sideways. So pressure down, sideways. You could do it upside down too. It doesn't matter. And when you do that, make sure there's every letter and logo that's showing in the cards. It doesn't matter if you show the whole card, just the letter and logo. They'll tell the cards. So like that. That's when you do it too much pressure. But just the right pressure gives you this. And you want that. Some people like do it like this. Like in a curve. But either way. So remember, slight pressure on the index finger, and so are on these 2 or 3 fingers. And look at, here's the principle. More cards. So right now, do slight pressure, and then when you spread, the same pressure, but when you come to the last 4 cards, just less pressure, and then let go when you reach the last card, like this. Okay, now that you've, okay, you could do it like David Blaine, you could do it like Oscar Owen, you could do it like any card artist, basically. Like Darren Brown. That's when I do too much pressure. Just no. Okay, now that's the tutorial of how to do the card spread. Some people can do the ribbon, but I can't. Like some people can do this and then just turn the deck over, and I don't know how to do that because I'm only like 9 years old. Okay, now that is the full tutorial of how to do the card spread. Make sure you like and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell, and leave a comment in the video of how you like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!